Hey guys, it's Denise at myluxuryfirst.com, and today I just want to show you the mirrors that I bought at Kirklands.com. So these mirrors right here, those are 3 different mirrors placed directly next to each other, and on the site they're called the metallic silver block frame mirror. These mirrors are not silver at all. They look very much like a goldish color, maybe a rose gold color. If you get close and personal, this is the color. They are very pretty mirrors, but they're just not silver at all. So if you go on the site thinking that you're going to get silver mirrors, you're not. On the website, they look like this, but in real life, they look like this. This is one of the main views when you first step into the house. It's a little messy because we're still doing remodeling, but you can tell how beautiful it can be showcasing on this wall. So these mirrors are a 32 by 66 inch. Now, ordering off of Kirklands.com, it did take a while for the items to get delivered to the store. Now, today I went to Walmart and I seen these mirrors. Now, these mirrors right here are actually silver. These mirrors right here are about $37 at Walmart, and these are a size 17 by 53 inch and way cheaper. So $36 or $37 right here compared to $90. So these mirrors are $90 a piece. And then these mirrors are like $36 a piece plus tax. This is another view of the mirrors from a different angle. I really like them and satisfied with my purchase. And this is an idea for you. Thank you for watching, and if you liked this review, or if you're gonna do something like this, or if you even have done something like this already, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And I will see you guys in my next video. Have a great day. Bye.